My name is Sunday Kingsley Uchenna. I enrolled for the Borderless Cipher section October 2023. I enrolled for UI UX and okay, my Twitter handle is I am K Visuals. Okay, the past 3 months have been nice. I would say it has been good. Overall, it's okay because we learned a lot actually, and it was really straight to the point. It was not beating around the bush. We just started and we went straight into what we came to learn, and it has been great. So the past 3 months has been great. Great tutor, great organization of the program. The whole program was organized well. Though 20 October, yeah, the first month was um it was a bit challenging because I was fighting through school, balancing school, learning, and a whole lot. So it wasn't easy. But when you have this passion for something, you have to give it your time. You have to give it your time. So I just dedicated, and I scheduled myself. I dedicated time for it. Set especially reminders. I set reminders for my classes, and when it's time, even if I'm just with my phone, I'll connect since the medium through which they were teaching was Telegram. So it was quite easy for me to connect with my phone. And our tutor wasn't he was particular on you attending first, getting the knowledge, then he'll give us assignments and all that, which you have to submit. So we aren't doing live practicals actually for that section, though because of we are almost all of us we are students and we are apologizing for not joining with our laptops and all that. So it was a bit challenging, but I think the second one that was after my exam, that was November. I think I'm done with exam, so I actually had enough time for it, and I gave it a shot, and since then it has been good. Yeah, it has been good. Though, yeah. Okay. The hackathon started in December. I can't remember the date actually, but it started December. So we were given something to build on, which is a certification system, NFT certification system actually, where you can come on the page, mint your certificates as NFT tokens, as NFT rather. It was a bit challenging because that was my first time working on an NFT project, though I had to consult few oracles. I had to consult few oracles, and they actually explained a lot to me. Great Adams was one person that actually helped me in this product. He actually told me more about NFTs and how to go about the Web3 space and all that. And he actually guided me through some of the steps, most of the steps actually, because he was the only one I could run to because not my buddy. So he was the only one I could run to, and him and his friend Alabo Excel. So they were the only ones I could run to, and they were giving me back to back hint on NFT and plus little research, and I was able to deliver something to my team. And though, okay, yeah, since I was the designer and my part was the first in the development process, I don't like designing and I don't see my work I don't see what I design put to work or developed rather. So I had to ginger them, keep like the developer. At some point, if you think that the developer was my girlfriend, because somehow I called this boy Taya. I was like, bro, what's the update? As I'm designing your building, if I finish sign up, you must finish sign up, guy. That was how we were doing it. No grief for anybody. So that was how I was disturbing him every meeting. I would not even talk to others. I would ask him how far. Only him. It was as if he was the only one in the team, but his part was crucial because it's the development part and it takes time. So he's in charge of everything, and so far so good. Yeah, we were able to deliver the whole stuff. Though we are in the last phase of this we're in the last phase of the development, which is okay, right now I asked him. He said he's connecting the pages, which he's done with, is to link the smart contract to what he has developed. That's what is remaining. Then we host it. So far the experience in the hackathon was great. It was nice. I had fun actually building with those guys because after our regular meeting we'll catch cruise no man. It was fun actually. It was nice. So kudos to them. Okay, what's next? Um So keep building. For me, is to keep building. I don't agree for anybody normally. So we'll keep building, drag with clients, find work, search for gigs, hunt and all that. And most importantly, though I would say, okay, the truth is I did not start UI design this year, so I believe, though I learned a lot from the Borderless Cipher section, because that was a mind-blowing section for me. So I intend using the knowledge I've gathered and impacting it on others instead of keeping it to myself and hunting for gigs. I decided to just impact the little I know on others, and I believe impacting is even better than working for yourself for now, because what you impact on others now will come back for you later on in time. So I decided that last year ending that instead of keep hunting and hunting and hunting where you hunt from January to December, no gig, because the Port Harcourt space is actually tight. It's actually tight. So you just look for a way to impact people, and by that you surely get gig, definitely, definitely. Because I believe, okay, I think I have a mentee, somebody that was like, chief, help me review my design and all that. The guy actually gave me a job, your mentee. So I believe impacting people, you also learn more, because it will make you go back to what you learned before to learn it and also impact others. And by that you keep learning. Learning is continuous, so you keep learning and learning and learning until you buy. Okay, what I would say to the new Borderless students is, first of all, the advice I give every young techie is, don't just learn something because it's actually giving money. If you registered for a course and it's because your friend is doing that course, the first advice is look for what you have passion for. Change your stack before it's too late, because this is a golden opportunity for you. So change your stack, learn something that you like, because something you like, it will be easier for you to learn. If you learn what your friend is learning, your friend will finish and you are still trying. Okay, just like me, I actually have an experience where I wanted to be a front-end developer, because almost everybody around me was coding and coding. And when you open your laptop, everybody's like, boss, you can code, all those. Um, I learned HTML, CSS, I was good. Enter JavaScript, vanilla, confusion start to the start. Like, now where confusion start. Then we advanced to, when I got to React, that was when the Holy Spirit ministered that, oh boy, this is not for you. Already I was into graphics, not a big graphic designer, because some more graphics and another field on it. So I was like, okay, what can I venture into? Graphic design that time, they were like flyer, logo. It was too common. So I was like, okay, what else can I venture into? And somebody told me about UI UX, creating of designing of mobile app. That was how the person explained it. Mobile app, web app. I was like, wow. So they designed before they build. They said yes and all that. I was like, okay, let me give it a shot, and that was how I entered. So I love designing, so that was what made me learn UI UX design. So I will advise everybody, since you're joining this program, I think there will be a phase where you'll be asked to rethink your decision or something like that. I don't know. So if it's possible, look for something that you have passion for and learn. If it's not in the program, you can also learn the one in the program and still go for the other one. I think time coming they will add other courses and you can also join and learn. So my advice for the young ones is look for where your passion lies and learn that skill. Don't rush into any skill because your friend is actually learning. And when learning, give it your time, because even school now no go pay you. J school no go pay you. Give it your time. It's difficult because it's actually for students. That's why it's a bit difficult, because balancing your school and everything is, it's very, even me, I'm still trying to balance it, but it's very difficult. But just try. Anyhow it is, try. Schedule yourself. That time you use in playing in school, gisting with friends. You can be working in school with your laptop and still be gisting with friends. That's how, that's to show that you have passion for something. So just give it your best shot and you start making cool cash.